Hello and welcome back. So continuing from our last video, we are now going to create a detail fragment. So if you remember in the last video, we created a list fragment which displayed a list of items. And in this one, you're going to create a detail fragment. So the idea is that in this list fragment, when the user clicks on an item, then it will display this detailed fragment with a set of data for that particular employee. So creating a detail fragment is pretty straightforward. You can, um, like we did in the last one, you can simply go to your app, right click on new, click on fragment, okay, and create a new blank fragment. Okay, now I have already done this, so you can refer to the code in GitHub. Go ahead and try it out. I have named it as employee detail fragment. Okay, and I've created um, I've changed the layout file. I've included some text views in it, like a couple of them with some default values for now. We'll later on populate this with the employee data corresponding to the item that is clicked. Okay, and then in the main activity, what you need to do is you need to include this fragment also. So earlier in the content main XML, you had a single fragment, right? You had the list fragment class in this, and now you're going to add another one with the detail fragment. Another point is that since we are going to display both the fragments side by side for now, so you will need to use a horizontal layout. We are using linear layout, so you're going to use a horizontal one, and the width, like be careful with the width part. So you can specify width as 0 dp and specify layout weight as 2. So layout weight gives appropriate weight to each fragment. Okay, and that ways your fragments are going to take the space you want them to. So go ahead and try it out once you have the detail fragment and you have added it to the activity. Then we are going to look at how this fragment is going to communicate. I mean, how it's going to send the data so that you get the appropriate employee detail. So in the next video, we'll proceed further. Okay.